Hello, my name is Daniel and today you join me at the Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham for a 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter T28 Highline. This transporter comes with a 2-litre TDI engine pushing out 150 PS. It is a short wheelbase making it easier to manoeuvre, and it comes in the classic candy white colour with a solid finish. Starting with the front exterior features, this transporter comes with front parking sensors for that extra bit of safety when you're manoeuvring the vehicle. It also comes with front fog lamps with the cornering function. This just helps you out when you are under the foggy weather. This vehicle sits on 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels. You also get the alloy wheel security locking bolts and the steel spare wheel with the original tyre equipment. Moving around to the back for the rear exterior features, you have the rear parking sensors for that extra bit of safety and confidence when you're reversing. You also have the rear loading barn doors to enter the loading area. Opening up the rear barn doors, you can see that you have a very spacious and fully ply-lined loading area. You also have the steel bulkhead at the front. This just makes the loading area much more durable. You have the benches on either side to be able to sit on or add other equipment. You also have a single sliding door on the passenger side. This just adds an extra bit of convenience and ease when you are trying to get your equipment or belongings inside the loading area or outside. At the front of this vehicle, you have a 3-seater passenger bench that is covered in brick woven fabric upholstery in titanium black. The front driver's seat has armrests for extra comfortability, and you have a 6.5-inch fully touchscreen infotainment system. The infotainment system allows you to listen to your favorite radio stations. You can also connect your device to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for your personalized music, and you can connect your devices to use the inbuilt sat-nav to get traffic updates and speeding updates. In front of the driver's seat is a 3-spoke multifunction black steering wheel, which allows the driver to skip through their favorite songs, adjust the volume, use the inbuilt cruise control, and answer calls. That is it for this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter T28 Highline. Thank you for watching.